We present an animation by demonstration system called Puppet Master that allows designers to create believable character behaviors. Puppet Master applies the image analogies algorithm to the motion paths of animated characters. In image analogies, an image filter is demonstrated to the system by giving example images. Then, when a new input image is given, the algorithm creates a filtered output by analogy. Similarly, a reactive behavior is demonstrated to the system by giving an example. Then, when new input is given, a new output behavior is generated by analogy. For example, here the designers demonstrate the reacting character following the main character in a particular fashion. Then, given new user input, the reacting character is computer generated in real time to react in the same fashion as demonstrated. Puppet Master captures many basic features of movement such as following or circling. In addition, Puppet Master captures the nuances and emotional tones given during training, resulting in character behaviors that are interesting, engaging, and less mechanical than traditional approaches. We conducted a user study where behaviors were created by untrained, non-technical users. Each behavior contains around 30 seconds of demonstration data, and users generally took only 1 or 2 attempts to create a satisfactory behavior. Our study shows that Puppet Master captures and conveys a certain level of personality and emotion. The details are presented in our paper. In the second part of our study, we asked other users to identify behaviors created in the first study. This table shows some of the results, how users matched each behavior given to the given descriptions. Also notice how similar behaviors, such as stalker and afraid, are grouped together. The input to Puppet Master is done using a Vicon camera object tracking system and a tabletop computer. The Vicon tracks 2 pucks and uses their location as input. Using this, users can cooperatively and intuitively demonstrate behaviors to our system. Here's an example of our system in use. Puppet Master does not require lengthy preprocessing or an extensive database to achieve these results. All required training data is captured as shown here. All processing and generation is fully automatic and happens in real time, giving freedom to designers to evaluate their behavior and test results immediately, allowing for rapid prototyping. We also offer a mouse interface with sequential training and other graphic scenarios. Thank you for watching our video.